Marine. Welcome to Sodwana Bay, the Isimangaliso Marine Protected Area, South Africa. Throughout the next couple of weeks, we will be taking you in and around the Sodwana Bay area and introducing you to our beautiful surroundings and our weird and wonderful fauna and flora. Isimangaliso MPA, place of miracles and wonders as it is named, is known for its pristine beaches, high sand dunes, nesting leatherback and loggerhead turtles, migrating humpback whales, dolphins and sharks, living coelacanths in our deep canyons, and last but not least, the coral reefs are one of the top dive sites in the world. But there is so much more in and around this magnificent area. We would love for you to join our journey exploring Sodwana Bay's natural environment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our journey on one of the most beautiful places on the planet. See you soon!